friends, welcome to Kirat's kitchen. Friends, today I'm going to cook a very tasty and nutritious meal, and that's a chicken wrap. Let's start down the ingredients. First, you need a Mexican wrap, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 chicken nuggets, half a teaspoon of sriracha, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 50 grams of chopped onions, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and half a spoon of mayonnaise. Step 1. We'll be cooking the chicken nuggets for about 2 minutes in the microwave. Step 2. We will be baking this Mexican wrap on a hot plate for about 2 minutes. Step 3. We'll be adding Himalayan salt, lemon juice, and black pepper to a chopped onions. And then mix the ingredients and the chopped onions properly. Step 4. We will be spreading some mayonnaise on our Mexican wrap. Then let's spread our chicken nuggets. Now, let's put our chopped onions on the chicken nuggets. Step 5. We will be adding the layer of sriracha and tomato ketchup. Step 6. We're going to wrap chicken wrap. Now, our tastiest, delicious chicken wrap is ready. Have a good day.